In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine customer payments into a single bank deposit in your invoices area. If you've received several customer payments together and you want your records to match the single deposit that appears in your bank account, this is a simple and very useful process. Grouping those payments correctly helps keep your bookkeeping clean, makes reconciliation easier later on, and reduces confusion when you're reviewing your incoming money. To begin, go to the Invoices section of your business menu. From there, open the Awaiting Payment area. This is where you'll see invoices that are still in the process of being settled, including payments that have been received and are ready to be handled. Take a moment here to make sure you're in the right place, because selecting the correct payments is the key to creating an accurate deposit. Next, look through the list and check the boxes next to the customer payments that were received together. The important thing here is to only select payments that should appear as one combined deposit in your bank account. For example, if multiple payments were taken on the same day and deposited together, those are the ones you'll want to group. Being careful at this stage will help make sure your accounting records match your actual bank activity. Once you've selected the correct payments, click Deposit. This tells the system that you want to bundle those individual customer payments into one deposit transaction instead of leaving them as separate entries. It's a quick step, but it plays an important role in keeping your records organized. After that, choose the bank account where the money was deposited. Make sure you select the correct account, especially if you manage more than one bank account in your business. Then, enter the deposit date. Ideally, this should match the date the deposit appears in your bank records, so everything lines up properly when it's time to reconcile. When those details are correct, click Deposit again to confirm. The system will then create a single bank line for those selected payments. That means instead of seeing multiple separate payment entries for that deposit, you'll have one combined transaction that better reflects what happened in real life, and that's it. By going to Invoices, selecting the payments that were received together, and depositing them into the correct account with the right date, you can create one clean bank line and keep your records accurate and easy to manage.